Alright, so I have been looking to get a new gaming headphone for so long right now, but I couldn't find the right one. But the wait is over. I finally got a new headphone which works both with my PC and PS, so let's unbox it right away. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing a new gaming headphone that I got. So for all those who have been following my live stream and gaming related videos, you have seen me using this Apple earphones and this Sony headphones. But finally I've got a full-fledged gaming headphone. One of the main reasons why I decided to invest in a new gaming headphone and not continue using these two was the compatibility with PS5. Now these headsets worked perfectly with my PC, but I couldn't tap the full potential of PS5 with these. So I got the new SteelSeries 7P Plus Wireless. SteelSeries is an amazing brand and I'm pretty sure you have seen many large creators using it. Now without any delay, let's just get right into the unboxing. So this thing came in just like 10 minutes back and I haven't even opened the plastic wrapper, so let's just open it up. Now this version of headphone is specially designed for PlayStation, as you can see right on the heading PlayStation 5 and 4. And when you turn the box, you can even see how it shows PlayStation on the back end. This headphone comes in black and white color. I chose to stick with white because my controller and my PS is white, so that's a personal choice, but you can even get a black one. On the side, it shows all the awards it has got, and you can see a lot of best headsets and so on. On the other end, it shows all the contents and technical specifications. On the side. Okay, so when you open the box, you see big bold lettering of For Glory. I guess that's their tagline, but pretty minimalistic and pretty sleek. And when you slide this box out, you see the main headphones. So let's see what all is included in the box first. This is the main headphone, of course. Then there's this USB-C dongle, which will go in PC and PS. There are also a couple of cables. Let's see what are those all about. So this one is a USB-C to USB-A cable. This one is a proprietary USB with 3.5 jack. So this cable is used for using the headphone as a wired connection. Now the third cable that we see is a USB-A to USB-C female. And this cable is useful if your PC doesn't have a USB-C port. PlayStation 5 already has it, so this cable is not useful there. As you can see, the receiver will go into the one end of the wire and you connect the other end to the PC. My PC already has a USB-C port, so I won't be needing this, but hey, it's pretty handy. So yeah, that were the accessories which were included, but now let's look at the headphone. First, let's get rid of all these stickers. So yeah, this is the headphone and it has left and right indicators, but a general rule of thumb with this headphone is the mic is always on the left ear cup. So yeah, let's try it on. Wow, it feels so light. And it's very comfortable as well. My entire ear gets covered in the ear cup, so it's good. Let's try out the mic. Okay, the mic is really good. Depending on where you want it positioned near your mouth, you can even bend the wire, so that's a good thing. And all the controls that it has is pretty easily accessible. Also the strap is adjustable. If you just remove this wire, you can easily adjust it, tighten and loosen it. So yeah, it should work with all head sizes apparently. Let's look at the buttons that it has. So this one is a power button right here, and this one is a dial for side tone. So what side tone does is it catches your own voice from the mic, and then you can adjust it so that you are not shouting when you're gaming and disturbing all others. I love this feature and I've been using it all the time. Since it was not there in my previous headphone, I used to use it via mic, but now I guess the headphone would do the job for me. This is the volume button, so it's pretty accessible, and this is the mic mute button. When you actually mute it, you can see a hint of orange shade around it, so that's a pretty neat thing. So yeah, pretty minimalist design. I love how sleek it is, and it is one of the most popular headphones. And one of the main selling point of this headphone, as you can see on the website, is it works with PS5's surround sound. I'm so excited to try this surround sound with AAA games and also first person shooting games. But yeah, this was the unboxing of the Arctis 7P Plus Wireless. That's a big name, but yeah. Let me know in the comments, how does this color look on me? If not, I'll go get a black one. I won't, but let me know what your thoughts are. And If there's any product that you want to see unboxing or review of, I'll make sure to get my hands on it. Also, if you want to know my experience about this video, make sure to subscribe the channel, because I plan on making one after 1 week, 10 days usage. So I'll have my honest opinions in there. All right, that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next time. Take care.